As a business owner, if you're just typing a person's name or a company's name in the search box in LinkedIn, just stop doing that right now. Let's look at exploring and using the search filter completely in LinkedIn to connect with the right kind of potential clients. Let's say you are into event management and the decision makers in large corporates are HR heads, admin heads, or marketing heads, and you want to connect with them using LinkedIn. Now, one of the best ways to do that is type in a couple of designations that are there, like marketing head, HR head, admin head in the search bar. Do you know you can also add additional parameters like location? You can also target a particular company. You can also target the level of connection, like first degree, second degree, or third degree level of connection. In addition to that, you can also target somebody who studied in a particular school, college, or university. Now, if you use all these filters, you can do razor sharp targeting and connect with the right potential clients and send them connection requests. Do share in the comment box how you are effectively using search filter on LinkedIn.